So today, let's delve into a long-awaited update on Ghana's aviation ambition. Today, we'll be diving into the rapid progress of the extension of the Prempeh, the first international airport in Kumasi. This airport is a cornerstone of Ghana's vision to become a leading aviation hub in West Africa. The expansion program is finally taking effect with the recent visit by the Commissioner of the Aircraft Accident and Investigation and Prevention Bureau, AIB for short, who is John M.K. Wumboti, proving the nation's commitment to safety and excellence before the expansion of the transformative project gains momentum. In this video, we'll be exploring the significance of AIB's visit, the ongoing expansion effort, and the collaborative spirit driving Ghana's aviation forward. So stick with me till the end. Smash that like button and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet for more exciting content. Now, the expansion project of the Prempeh, the first international airport, is kicking off with the familiarization visit by the Commissioner John M.K. Wumboti to the Prempeh, the first international airport on June 19, 2025. This marks a pivotal moment in ensuring the facility meets the highest global safety standards before operations commence. The engagement is part of AIB's broader mission to strengthen collaboration with aviation stakeholders and reinforce safety oversight across Ghana's airports. This was welcomed by the airport management team led by Maxwell Yeboah, the head of the Regional Airport South. The commissioner conducted a thorough inspection of critical infrastructure, emphasizing the importance of proactive safety measures. This visit not only highlights the ongoing expansion progress, but also positions Kumasi as a focal point for aviation safety, ensuring the airport is ready to handle increased traffic as it goes into a regional hub. The Prempeh, the first international airport, which was formerly known as Kumasi Airport, named after the revered Asantehene, Nana Agyemang Prempeh the First, is more than just an airport. It's a symbol of Ghana's cultural pride and modernization. Located 6 kilometers from Kumasi, the airport has evolved from a military base established in 1943 to Ghana's second busiest airport, handling over 453,201 passengers in 2024 alone. Officially, it was renamed in September 2024, and the airport reflects the Ashanti region's rich heritage while embracing its role as a vital connector from the Middle Belt to the Northern Belt of Ghana. There was already an ongoing expansion project, and now it is set to be fortified with this inspection by the AIB team, ensuring that the Prempeh, the first international airport, is transformed into a world-class international hub, fostering economic growth and regional connectivity. The expansion of the Prempeh, the first international airport, is a multi-phase project designed to elevate its capacity and safety standard. Phase 1 completed in December 2014, including the runway rehabilitation and the installation of airfield lights, enabling night operations. Phase 2 and 3, currently underway, are set to be reinforced and expedited, involving the extension of the runway from 1,981 meters to 2,300 meters. The construction of a new terminal, which is capable of handling 1 million passengers annually, was also completed. The addition of critical infrastructures like fire stations and the air control towers have also been completed, but other upgrades and extension is soon to come. The completed upgrades was funded with a 58.9 million budget, which was approved in April 2019, and most are still on track for completion by the end of 2025, ensuring the airport can accommodate larger aircraft and international flights, boosting trade and tourism. During his visit, the Commissioner Wumboti emphasized the AIB's mission to prioritize prevention over reaction in Ghana's aviation ecosystem. He conducted a comprehensive tour of the airport, inspecting safety installations, operational zones and emergency response systems to ensure compliance with AIB's rigorous protocols. His insights underscored the importance of embedding a proactive safety culture, where protocols are not just documented, but actively implemented to protect lives and assets. By engaging with the Ghana Airport Company Limited's team, Wumboti reinforced the need for continued training and vigilance to align with the global best practices, setting a strong foundation for the airport's expanded operations. The success of the Prempeh, the first international airport expansion, is rooted in the collaboration between stakeholders, including AIB, the Ghana Airport Company Limited, and the Ministry of Transport. Maxwell Yeboah, the head of the Regional Airport South, highlighted the value of such engagement in fostering partnerships that enhance safety and operational efficiency. The Commissioner's visit is part of a nationwide assessment tour aimed at building a resilient aviation safety culture across Ghana, and also for the case of the Prempeh, the first international airport, stands as a stamp of approval for the extension work to commence, continue and be completed. This collaborative spirit extends to the regional partnerships as Ghana works to position itself as an aviation hub in West Africa, complementing massive initiatives in Ghana. The expansion of the Prempeh the First International Airport is a critical step in Ghana's ambition to become a leading aviation hub in West Africa's sub-region. The Minister of Transport, Joseph Bukari Nikwe, has emphasized that the project will enable direct international flights to Kumasi, reducing reliance on Accra's Kotoka International Airport. The extended runway and modern terminal will accommodate modern body aircrafts, enhancing connectivity for the Ashanti region and beyond. This aligns with Ghana's broader economic goals, as improved air infrastructure will drive tourism, trade and investment, strengthening ties with our neighbors, improving Ghana's economy and boosting trade. The Commissioner Wumboti's visit to Kumasi marks the beginning of a nationwide effort to ensure all Ghanaian airports meet the highest safety standards. His reaffirmation of AIB's commitment to proactive oversight through investigation and preventive action sets a tone of excellence for the aviation sector. The Ghana Airport Company Limited, under the leadership of the Managing Director, Yvonne Nana Ifi-Yopare, has confirmed the construction activities are on track for completion, with extended operational hours already improving passenger convenience. This dedication to excellence ensures that the Prempeh the First International Airport will be a safe and efficient gateway for travelers. While the focus on this video is on the Prempeh the First International Airport, it's worth noting that Ghana has a broader commitment to regional cooperation, exemplified by initiatives and partnerships between Ghana and neighbors like Burkina Faso. Most importantly, direct flight between Kumasi and Burkina Faso has not been scrubbed out, as Ghana is leveraging its expertise to also support Burkina Faso. The extension of the Prempeh the First International Airport reflects a similar spirit of collaboration as Ghana works to enhance connectivity and economic opportunity across West Africa. This synergy between infrastructural development and regional partnerships highlights Ghana's leadership in fostering sustainable progress and mutual growth in the region. The expansion of the Prempeh the First International Airport is clear that Ghana is on the cusp of a transformative moment in its aviation journey. The AIB's vision, led by Commissioner John M.K. Wumboti, underscores the nation's unwavering commitment to safety and excellence, as well as ensuring that the expansion of the Prempeh the First International Airport is not hampered. The airport is preparing to welcome more passengers and international flights. With a modern terminal, extended runway, and a proactive safety culture, the Prempeh the First International Airport is poised to become a vital hub for the Ashanti region and beyond. This project, driven by innovation, reflects Ghana's ambition to lead in aviation while fostering regional partnerships. Stay tuned for more updates on Ghana's exciting rise as a West African aviation powerhouse. Let me know your thoughts on the expansion of the Prempeh the First International Airport and this safety inspection to ensure everything goes smoothly. Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, hit the like button to inform others as well, and subscribe to this channel as I bring you riveting content. Thank you, and on to the next video. Be sure to check this next video out.